Kentucky.
Rizal.
Kentucky.
Mga nilubog ng unday.
I'd like to be serious. I mean, kasi, you deserve a serious commendation.
Tanging
Ano
country.
magulo niya? Hindi, I'd like to be serious talaga kasi hindi, kagabi pa ako seryoso eh. Para akong devastated kagabi. Para, kasi pa ako pa siya pero naglakad ako. I'm in a pensive mood eh. Ngayon, nagtrabaho ko hanggang alas 10. Still, I'm very gloomy.
Hindi naman umuulan.
Hindi nga umuulan, hindi naman na-Yolanda.
Tayin mo, talagang
Transfix ako doon. Zero output. Zero output. Wala ako doon. Uwi na lang ako.
okay.
I don't know. I'm in the XYZ direction. Ako, para
Ang biling kinto.
Palagay ko may iniisip ka, kaibigan.
konti lang.
Pwede bang,
Anyway, from the bottom of my heart. Kaya nga, as I heard, no? A while ago, there's no amount of honey words and sugar-coated phrases that can describe your greatness as a Aramco.
thank you, kaibigan.
Really, being an Aramco for decades, you stay here. It's a terrible experience. Terrible. Sa mga katutubo. Okay? Di ba? As highlighted by James, you heard how great you are. See? So you deserve that greatness. You're a veteran in Munira, from Munira, di ba kabayan? And then until you move here in the TP, started by Royal Highness James Mangoba. Okay, now, ibig sabihin, you really deserve commendation, especially from your family and your family here. Pagka sa talagang may pagmamalik ka namin, taga-kainta.
Ay, hindi nga.
Leon! Tagay. Thank you.
Giselle, kasi man yung 59.99. Okay? Yung full strong, pare. Yung laro niya.
Pero may 400 siya.
Ano mo, Jerry?